Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Rajaram Gudival and as my today's topic is this keyword and super keyword. First of all, this keyword. This keyword, first, this is uh, reserve keyword is a Java we can't use in identifier. Okay, this keyword is used refer current class in interns and well as static members. Okay, this can be used. This can be used various contexts in given. Okay, first to refer instance variable of current class. Okay, to invoke or initialize current class constructor. Third one is can be passed mm, can be passed be argument in the constructor call. Okay, fourth one is can be passed as an argument in the method call. Okay. Sixth one is can be used to return a current class instance. Okay, example of super keyword, this keyword. First, class RR instance variable int a equals to 10 and static variables static int b equals to 20 while gfg it is a referring current class RR. Okay, instance variable ie and comma a, this dot a equals to 100. Okay, uh, next, sysout system.println print a. Okay, this is a referring current class I e class RR static variable I dot e comma b. Okay, this dot b equals to 600. System.println b is a class, and then main method public static void main string args and arguments. Then argument upcoming uncomment this see there you get compile time error and since you cannot use this is static context this dot a equals to 700 new rr constructor dot gfg. Okay, then output is 100 and 600. Okay, second one is super keyword. Okay. Super is a reverse keyword in Java dot e. We can't use it as an identifier. Okay, super is used refer superclass instance as well as static members. Okay, super is also used to invoke superclass class method or constructor. Okay, simple example of uh, super keyword. Then class parent instance variable int a equals to 10 static variable static int b equals to 20 and class based extend parent void rr. Then referring parent class example class parent instance variable I dot e comma a. System dot println super dot a referring dot parent class I dot e class parent static variable I dot e comma b. System dot out println super dot b. Okay, public static void main string args arguments and uncomment this and see and her you get compile time error since cannot use super in static comments now base dot rr. Okay, then output is 10 and 20. Okay, similarize this and super keyword. Okay, first is we can use this as well as super anywhere except static area. Example of this is already shown above, where we use this as well as super inside public static void main string arguments. Hence we get compile time error, since cannot use them inside static area. Second one, we can use this as well as super any numbers on time in a program. Okay. Simple example. One more example. Class RRR instance variable int a equals to 20, static variable int b equals to 20, and void gfg referring current class and class RR instance variable I dot e comma a, these dot a equals to 100. Okay. System dot out dot println and print a referring current classes I dot e comma class RR static variable I dot e comma b, this dot b equals to 600. Okay. System dot out println b and referring current class I dot e class RR instance variable I dot e comma a, again this dot a equals to 9000. Okay. System dot out println a, and then main method called public static void main string args new r dot gfg. Okay. Output is a 100, 600 and 9000. It is the output. See, one more example. Class parent instance variable int a equals to 36, and static variable static float x equals to 12.2f. Okay. Then class base extends parent void gfg referring superclass I dot e class parent instance variable I dot e comma a, and super dot a equals to 1, and system dot println a referring superclass I dot e class parent and static variable I dot e comma x, super dot x equals to 600 60.33f. Next is sysout system dot print ln x public static void main method string args arguments new base and dot gfg. Okay. We can use this as well as super any numbers times, but the thing is that we cannot use them inside static context. Let's next one more example. Class RR int first equals to 22, int second equals to 33, and void area int a int b, and a equals to this dot first and b equals to this dot second. System dot println first, system dot println second, sysout system dot println a, and sysout system dot println b, and then void lois int m int n, and then this dot first equals to m, and this dot second equals to n. Sysout system dot println first, system dot println second, and then